to our most generous and supportive SGC President, Captain Vicente E. Fidelicio, together with his beautiful and supportive wife, Dr. Nilabeth P. Fidelicio, passionate teachers, Barangay Education Committee, and barangay officials, PTA officials, to our dear parents, fellow graduating students, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. It is indeed my honor and pride to deliver my words and welcome in behalf of the graduating class for the school year 2023-2024 to this momentous occasion, our graduation. Today is the significant day of the fruit for the countless nights and days of hard work in our elementary days for both teachers and students. I do believe that the expedition we made a couple of years ago were strenuous, have been encountered a lot of difficulties, which tested our hope, strength, and capabilities, not as students or teachers, but as human beings as well. Thus, it doesn't end. Everything worsened from COVID-19 pandemic up to the extreme heat that we have experiencing until now that brought drastic changes in our life. It changed everything the way we live, to the huge aspect of the society wherein educational system was affected. But we have no choice but to be innovative and flexible in order to cope up with the strange happenings, from face-to-face to ADM, from whole day classes to half-day classes. We need to create our own lights from the darkest times. Everything happens for a reason. Despite the darkness, the bright array of light will always be a portion of it. And thus, because of the help of our innovative and patient teachers, and of course, with the unending help and support of our parents, we all succeeded. And here we are now moving to the next level of our lives. It has been privileged to be a part of our alma mater, the Malandog Elementary School, and given a greater blessing to be surrounded by these remarkable and precious people of the class 2023-2024. I know that we, the batch 2023-2024, will always cherish for the rest of our lives. The memories that we have made, mostly the friendship that we have formed in our elementary school days. May we greet the future with eagerness and never forget the people who motivated and inspire us in our journey. This graduation symbolizes the collaborative efforts of my classmates, teachers, and parents. At this crowning moment of our time, we invite you to celebrate the great edition in Malandog Elementary School, in rising another cohort of strong, determined, confident young students. Thank you to those who are gathered here to witness and celebrate with us in this special occasion. We appreciate all of you for guiding us along the way and playing a major role in shaping us into the person that we are today. Once again, welcome and good day.